Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do some simple integration and differentiation with these questions. This one here, okay. For part A, if y is equals to x power of 4 plus 6 times x power of 1 over 2, then dy over dx would be equals to 4 times x power of 3 plus 3 times x power of minus 1 over 2. For the part B, if they want me to integrate this equation, then it will be like this. The next step would be x power of 5 divided by 5 plus 6 times x power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus c. The answer would be x power 5 divided by 5 plus 2 times 6 would be 12. 12 divided by 3 would be 4. So 4 times x power of 3 over 2 plus c. That would be the answer. Thank you for watching.